Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you what is the value of an Instagram account with 1 million followers. So actually, nobody can tell you the value of this account, but actually you can earn many money just by promoting some ads, just maybe promoting your product and just by different advertisements. So actually it depends on in judgment on your account. So also you need to have many likes, not only followers, because it could be bots or not active users, but also advertisers are interested only in real people, so you need to know it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.